Hi guys, today is day 4 of our alcohol unit, and what we are going to see that blinds the light. What we're going to do is talk about alcohol facts. So a lot of these you may already know because we've talked about it. It's just a good reminder. Some of them you may not know, and it's a good kind of heads up if you didn't already know these. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you. Then I'm going to go through all the questions that I have, and then you're going to leave me a Flipgrid video on what you learned today. What was a takeaway that you had today? Or if you have any questions that I didn't answer that you really want to know about alcohol, we'll go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so share my screen with you. And I need this thing to go away so I can pull this up. Okay. So first question, why does our state have laws that say you can't drive while intoxicated? Intoxicated is another word for drunk. So drunk and intoxicated mean the same thing. If you think about that for a minute, why do you think you can't drive drunk? Okay. The reason is to keep our roads safe for everybody. Okay. Everybody needs an equal chance to be safe. Okay, next question, what organ breaks down alcohol? Hopefully you know this one because we talked about it before. Okay. But the answer is your liver. And your liver can oxidize, and oxidize is another word for break down, okay, about 1/2 ounce of alcohol per hour. So it takes about an hour, whole hour, for one drink to get broken down by the liver. So if somebody had a beer, it would take an hour for their liver to break the alcohol down to get rid of it out of their body for them. So if a person's drinking a lot in a short period of time, the liver can't keep up. The liver can only work so fast, and that's about 1/2 ounce of alcohol per hour, okay, or about one drink per hour. BAL and BAC are the same thing. BAL is blood alcohol level. BAC is blood alcohol content. They both mean the same thing, and what it means is the percentage of alcohol in your bloodstream. So the higher your number, the more alcohol you have in your system. In Ohio, we talked about this before, 0.08 is that legal intoxication number. If you are driving over that number or higher, you're going to get an OVI or a DUI or a DWI, depending on which state you are and what they call it. Now you can get charged with lesser things if it's like 0.04, 0.05, something like that. But 0.08 is that OVI charge. Okay, next one. List one situation in our state where you as a teen can legally drink. There's actually 2. The first one being in church with a parent during sacrament. So for example, if you're Catholic, you may take sacrament, you get the host and the wine, okay? You're allowed to take that sip. And the other time is in a private home setting with your parent. Parent has to be there and give you permission. So those 2 things have to happen, permission in a private setting. Next one. Is it illegal, so not allowed, for parents to serve alcohol to teens at a party? Is it illegal? Yes, it's totally illegal. Parents cannot do that. Parents can't have a party and serve people under 21 alcohol. Big no-no. Big no-no. And parents can get into trouble for that. And they can even get in trouble for kids who have a party without them knowing about it. Like if they were gone and kids had their friends over and they drank, parents are still responsible. Even if they're not home, they're still responsible for their child and their child's actions. So the parent could still get into trouble for that, even though they weren't there and didn't know about it. So be aware of that. Next one, do your parents have the right to take away your license? So let's say you're 16, you just got your license. Can your parents say, nope, can't have that anymore? Absolutely. You are still a minor at 16. Your parents still have the right to take your license away. And actually, even in the BMV, there's a sign that says that. So if you're 16 or 17 and your parents find out you were leaving school and you were flying through the parking lot and they got a phone call about it, they can take your license away. That's their right as a parent. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now is you're going to go to the Flipgrid, click on that link, and actually I lied. I'm going to go back. You are going to go ahead and leave a statement about what you learned today. And then, oh, this isn't working. There we go. Okay. So you're going to leave me a little chat about what you learned today on the Flipgrid. Just something you learned, leave me a little video. And if you have a question, leave me a question and we will answer those questions for you. All right. So I will see you guys later. Bye.